President Tinubu is a bad person. Aisha Yesufu said President Tinubu is a bad person. And the person who is praising Tinubu, he said that person is an hypocrite. I want to update you guys about kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Yoruba Nation currently, àti pé Chief Sunday Adeniyi ọmọ Adéyẹmọ tí gbogbo ayé máa ń pè ní Ìgbòho Òòṣà, owó bàbá Dami, ní ìlú wo gangan náà wà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́, kí ló ń ṣe lọ́wọ́, kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wọn lọ́wọ́. These are the things I want to bring to you guys today. Please, I want to beg you to subscribe to Akok TV for more tips and information nípa nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nílùú wa. Borno South Senator tí gbogbo wa mọ̀ sí Ali Ndume. So I don't know, maybe it's far from the fact that people are really suffering. People are lamenting, they are complaining, they are in agony, and they are really angry. So this man said, Tinubu is a very good person. He's the most nice president he has ever met. He said he knows surely that Tinubu means well for Nigeria, that he's working day and night to liberate us from this problem, difficulties, and the agony that we are. So ó wá jẹ́ ká máa mọ̀ wípé Tinubu on his own is a good person and is working day and night láti lè get better Nigeria. Are you getting it? But the major problem now is the people that Tinubu are surrounded by. Like the advisors, wípé àwọn gongon, they are the ones that are pushing harmful policies, and they are working day and night láti undermine President Tinubu's administration. Is this true? Can we believe this? Can we just take this for digestion? So Aisha Yusufu, that we all know, that activist, ó jẹ́ kó yé máa yí pé why are you being biased? Why are you acting like an hypocrite? Call a spade a spade. Let this man know he's a bad person. He said Tinubu is a bad person. Why are you praising him? Why are you letting him know that he's doing well? Let him know he's a bad person. Tell him directly. So now, nípa Yoruba Nation, Olóyè Sunday Igboho traveled to United Kingdom láti rí Prime Minister UK, which is Keir Starmer. So after the discussion, he now submitted a particular petition. So this petition was submitted on behalf of a Yoruba Nation leader, which is Professor Akintoye Adebanji. So they let us know wípé sources she jẹ́ ká máa mọ̀ wípé okay o tí reveal petition yìí because it was made confidential, but the source claim it is revolving around the Yoruba Nation agitation. So many people only kini bí pé is a very good movement because we are solidly going to get the backup that we need, that Yoruba people need to liberate themselves from Nigeria and create a nation called Yoruba Nation. Nǹkan tẹ́yin bá rí sí ẹ jẹ́ ká pàdé ní comment section. So Olóyè Chief Sunday Igboho àwọn nìkan kọ́ ni wọ́n lọ sí UK láti lọ rí Prime Minister yìí láti submit petition yìí. He was accompanied by diaspora youth leader Prophet Ologun Oluwa, President of Ifeladun Apapo Fatai Ogunribido, General Secretary of Yoruba World Media Aliaja Adeyeye, and member of Yoruba Nation movement Paul Odebi. So these are the people that went along with Chief Sunday Igboho to see the Prime Minister of United Kingdom, Keir Starmer. So information tí mo fẹ́ mú wá fún yín lénìí ni, please, I want to beg you guys to kindly subscribe to Accord TV, and as it is going, ní yàjó bó ṣe ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní fresh, máa jẹ́ kẹ́ máa mọ̀, máa carry yín along. Thank you very much, and I really appreciate it. Ẹ ṣé gan.